Hey Nehemiah,
What?
is there something broken?
Oh, yes.
What's broken?
Oh, there's a spider web under here.
Oh, are you gonna fix it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hi.
Hi.
How you liking it?
I'm liking it so good.
Woot woot. Is it fixed?
I fixed it.
Well, don't forget your important tool there.
My tool right here.
Yeah, your candy.
Ball.
My tool.
Yeah, make sure you fill it up with gas now.
I'm gonna put this stuff on it. This stuff called gas.
Hmm.
Gas.
Mhm.
That's the gas. Sure.
Hmm. Mhm.
Ow.
Because you've seen me do this so many times on my car. Nehemiah.
What?
What's the diagnosis, dude?
There's a fret on here.
Yeah.
Put this stuff on it too.
Oh, okay.